I never wanted power. Until I realized this. They think you're quiet. Invisible. Forgettable. And that's exactly what you want. Because power, real power, is never loud. It hides in the shadows. It observes. It waits. And when the moment is right, it strikes. Most people don't rise because they're weak. They fall, because they don't understand the rules of power. And the truth is, if you don't know the rules, you're already being played. Today, I'll show you how I use 7 ruthless laws of power to control any situation, without ever revealing my hand. And by the end of this video, you won't just understand power. You'll become it. Let's begin. Law 1, never outshine the master. People say intelligence is strength. That's a lie. Raw intelligence is a threat, especially to those above you. In my second year at Advanced Nurturing High School, I solved a math problem even the teacher hesitated on. The class clapped. But my teacher? He didn't smile. He watched. Quietly. The next week, my scores were delayed. Suspiciously. I had exposed myself. Lesson learned. If you're smarter than everyone in the room, shut up. Blend in. Let them think you're average. Real power hides behind silence. Keep your ambitions invisible, until they become inevitable. Law 8, make others come to you. In Class C, Rokasuk tried to force me into a conflict. He chased. He accused. He shouted. I didn't move. I waited. And then, he begged. Because desperation always looks up. You want respect. Don't chase people. Make them chase you. Use their desires as bait, approval, opportunity, a whisper of success. And when they lean in, you own them. Law 13, appeal to self-interest. No one helps out of kindness. Not Horikita. Not Ichika. Not your best friend. People only help when it helps them. You want loyalty. Offer opportunity. Make people see their future through you. And if they don't, they're a threat. Cut them off. Law 12, use selective honesty to disarm. At one point, even Ryuan believed I was just another pawn. Why? Because I told him the truth, only one part of it. That's the trick. Be honest just enough to be trusted. Give them one secret. One weakness. One small win. Make them feel safe. Then, when they're exposed, strike from the blind spot they never saw. Law 10, avoid the unlucky and the unhappy. Negative people are emotional sinkholes. Their problems become your problems. Misery isn't contagious, it's strategic. I watched one student fail every test. Not because he was dumb. But because he sat beside someone who whispered doubt into his ear every single day. Want to rise? Audit your environment. If someone constantly drains you, cut the cord. Before they anchor you to failure. Law 11, make others dependent on you. This is why I helped Kushida. Not because I liked her. But because I knew, she needed me more than I needed her. That's power. Create a system where your absence means collapse. Withhold just enough knowledge, skill, or control. So they know, if you disappear, they disappear too. Law 16, use absence to increase respect and honor. Imagine if I showed all my cards from day one. Would anyone fear me? No. They'd forget me. But the moment I stepped back, the room shifted. People whispered. Wondered. Where is he? Why isn't he talking? That's the power of controlled absence. Don't always be visible. Vanish, and return as a myth. Real-life example, step-by-step guide. Let's say you're in college. At work. In a group chat. Here's how you use these laws today. Step 1, go silent, stop sharing your every move. Let curiosity build. Step 2, remove one value, drop out of one responsibility and observe what fails without you. Step 3, craft mystery, don't argue. Don't explain. Let your results do the talking. Step 4, identify the desperate. Who's always asking for help? They're easy to control, offer a solution that serves you too. Step 5, return powerfully, when you reappear, bring results, not excuses. Shock them. Remember. Ayanokoji never raised his voice. He raised his value. Summary. Power isn't earned. It's engineered. Be forgettable until you're unforgettable. Hide your brilliance. Pull the strings from the back. Make others depend on you. And when the time comes, strike in a way they never saw coming. If this opened your mind, even just a little, do this now. Like the video. Comment, I make the rules. And if you're ready to play the real game, subscribe. Because this is just the beginning. You've been underestimated for too long. Now it's your move.